Hello traders, the title of the video is how long should you hold stocks? Alright, how long should you hold stock? How long do you hold your stocks? Are you a day trader? Are you a swing trader? Are you a position trader? Are you an investor? How long do you hold stock? Well, this is what we're going to discuss today. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you 5 things that you need to do that will help you to determine how long you want to hold your stock. So if you are a very short-term trader, talking about scalpers, you hold your stock few minutes, all right? If you are a day trader, probably the maximum that you can hold is 1 day during the day trading section. Market open to market close. Yes or no? If you are a swing trader, you may hold it 1 week, 3 days, max 3 days minimum. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you're out. Okay. Or maximum 4 days. All right. And or maybe 1 month. If you're a position trader, you may hold it for 1 quarter, 3 months, or a year, even sometimes 4 years or 5 years. If you're an investor, usually most investors will use the American election cycle every 4 years. So a new administration is in office, they determine their policy, and they know how that can affect the stock market, the currency market, the commodity market, and they take position. So as the administration is coming to the end and a new election is about to start, they will come out of those trades, they will shut down, okay, or secure their gain. Okay, so we may say to those long-term investors, 4 years minimum using the American election cycle. Others may say 5 years or even 10 years or more, depending on what they are trading, what they are investing in, and what is their intention, especially the sector in which they are investing in. All right, so are you using a market cycle? Are you using a mini cycle, okay, average cycle, or mega cycle? All right. So the question is there for you: how long should you hold stock? But I have not finished here because we're going to talk about 5 specific steps. But when we are talking about how long, all right, how long, all right, is individual, it's depending on you yourself. All right. What type of trader are you? What are you looking for? Myself, if I'm day trading, if I have 30 pips, I'm satisfied. Some trader may say, Joe, 30 pips. For me, 5 pips is enough for me. You see? So it's down to you personally. So the first thing that I want to share with you is that how long should you hold stock? The first answer to that question, hold it until you are satisfied. So probably you are looking for 30 pips. Now Iran fast was very generous, like Father Christmas, and give you 50 pips. We say, George, I don't want to move my stop loss to break even. I don't want to secure any gain. I'm taking my profit and run away. I could have taken 100 pips, but I'm just satisfied. So the first answer is hold it until you are satisfied. If it is profitable, okay, how long do you want to hold it? Now, what will happen if it's a losing trade? So you enter the trade, the next thing is start going down. How much are you willing to lose? Or how much loss will not affect your trading account? Are you adhering to the 5% money management? Again, it's down to you. It's down to you. If you want to gamble it and waste all your trading account on one trade, that's your decision. So until you are satisfied or until you make a decision to close that trade. The second thing that we want to talk about, how long should you hold stock? The second answer will be until the signal fails. So this is more to do with technical traders. So technical trader will use what we call multiple time frame trading method. So There is a trading setup time frame, there is a signal time frame, there is an entry time frame. So they will enter the trade on the entry time frame, yes or no, in a normal market environment, okay? So if you enter the trade and you notice that on the signal time frame, the signal fell, what do you do? Without blinking, you don't even blink, you just close the trade. If it's already profitable, that's good news. If it's even a losing trade, you just close it and go, fire, bye-bye. All right, that's it. Hold it until the signal fails. So it can be, did I talk about, am I repeating myself? Until, okay. All right, until the signal fails, and that's close it straight away. So suppose somebody using, I'll give you one example, somebody using a moving average 20 crossing above, they're moving at 50. So that person say, moving average 20 goes above the moving average 50 at a key level. Now I wait for a pullback. So moving average 20 goes above 50. He doesn't buy straight away because he learned from us. Price pullback. He say, all right, pullback. I'm waiting for a pullback. He pulled back nicely. And the common straight line is broken. He implemented a top-down trading method to buy it, yes or no, all right? So his signal is, for instance, 20 going above, okay, the 50. Now, so the 20 stay above the 50, price going up, going up, going up, and then suddenly, on the signal time frame, the 20 goes back below the 50. The signal is failing, yes or no, all right? But there is a better way to see whether the signal is failing. I'll talk about this soon, all right? So if the signal is failing or signal has failed, 20 goes back below the 50, close the trade. If it's profitable, that's good news, all right? That's good news. That's good news, okay? So the third answer to the same question, how long should you hold stock, will be hold it until, this is again for technical traders, hold it until the common trend line is broken. That's worked beautifully, beautifully. So some traders may say, is he on the signal time frame or is he on the entry time frame? It's up to you. I would say on the signal time frame. But depending on what, depending on your mood or your mood, the market environment, what you are trying to do, it's all down to the first answer. Are you satisfied? Will you be happy if you close that trade? So don't don't use the word regret. Don't, because there will be another opportunity. We don't use that. If you have been using a regret, that I regret, don't use that word. Don't just ban it completely. There's no regret in trading. All right, otherwise you get hooked to things. All right, so let me show you what I meant by common centralized progression. See, so the common centralized is the trailer that we draw very close to the price. Okay, right here, you see. But this is a common centralized. We draw it very, very close to the price. So you have a double bottom chart pattern here, and you say this is a Georgia favorite chart pattern. All right, and you say George said that if he breaks above the nut, this called George called it nuts instead of necklines, and he retests it and finds his support as he did here nicely with a long tail, and we implement. You see again, he came back again to retest it, and retest the trailer because they were waiting for it to go up and retest it. He just had this long candle was pushing back, they push it back again to retest it. And he found a support, and you implement a top-down trading method to buy here, yes or no. So you enter the trade there nicely, and then probably you drop down, you implement a top-down trading method, daily chart, hourly time frame, 10-minute time frame, and then now here it is running up. And you draw that common certain line like this, okay? It's up to you whether on the signal time frame, whichever, okay? And the common certain line is holding nicely. So you say, all right, I'll leave it like that. But what you need to do, you want to manage the trade because you want to remain in the trade for some days or even for a few hours. If it's staying above the trend line, if you are using the technical trading, move your stop loss at least to the entry level, which means at a break even. Or if you have 100 pips profit, at least move it to 50 pips up to secure at least half of your profit. That will be good thing. Because sometimes you may stay above it nicely like this, and out of nowhere, a long candlestick bar pop up out of nowhere and erase all your profit. So don't stay above the common certain line. You can still take measures to protect your trade as it's going on. But As you are protecting your trade above the common trend line, either in an uptrend or downtrend, all right? Doesn't matter, common trend line, you can use that, all right? Here is one example here. Common trend line is broken after a down move, after you are securing your gain, now it's broken. This is it, exit the trend. Here it is, it closed now, exit the trade. So either you are using a signal has failed, all right, which is the second answer to that question. The third answer is use the common settle line. We don't want the video to be too long, so we're moving on. The fourth correct answer to that question, how long should you hold the stocks, is what I'm asking you now. All right, what's the fourth one? Let me know in the comment section. So the fourth correct answer will be until the price reaches a target level. So this is what the hedge funds, all right, the institutional investors are looking for more. So they say, oh, this stock still has a long way to go. Even George is saying that, oh, we are now in the fifth wave. So they are hanging on to the price target. But the problem with the price target is that the price does not have to reach the target. It may stop at the midpoint target. It may not even reach the midpoint target. It may go beyond the ultimate target. It may not even reach it. So sometimes people wait for the price, or they are very demanding, because sometimes there are some market participants that are the dominant players of that financial instrument. So they can be very demanding and say, oh yes, now you see going down, exhaustive currency bar, push it down to that level. We want it to reach the target. Here, bring it there, and bring it there. What are you going to do? I'm the master of this financial instrument. And they have the firing power to do so. Well, they can do it. So the third correct answer, hold it until it reaches the price target level. The question is, will you have the stomach, so to speak, to hold it until it reaches the target level? Or can you manage it or secure your gain until it reaches the target level? There are some traders out there that are very, very good at that. So they don't jump out of the trend. They are not like a lion. You know, the lion, you kill the animal, you eat a bit, and then the hyena came and eat the rest, and the bird and everybody come and eat it. All right, that's what they do. They don't finish it, and then they go again and hunt for a fresh one. Yes or no? All right, and also the tiger or whatever, leopard, they don't eat dead animal. All right, tiger and leopard, they don't eat dead animal. They want it to kill it fresh and eat fresh. You see, so some traders are very good at that. So they will manage the trade until the last drop of the pips. But some traders, they are quite satisfied. That's what I'm saying to you. The first correct answer, I say, until you are satisfied. So they enter here, and hit the moving average 200, and they say, I'm satisfied. They come out, and they go and look for another trade. They just do that. They're happy here. They go. They come. Or some investors, talking about investors, they buy an asset. The asset will rise 5% extra. So as soon as they get 5% out of their investment, they grab it and go. The idea, those are in fact bond traders. So they say 5% interest is very good. You won't see much. Your bank is paying you 1% interest on your saving account. So here we are, I put 100,000 on this, I have 5%. They run away with it. But they can still hold it for some time. So the correct answer, in fact, to everything as I said so far, until you are satisfied. So talking about the fourth step, hold it. Can you hold it? That's the question. Hold it until the price reaches a target level. The reason is financial instrument will go up or down just to reach a target level. You see, this move here, all the way down here, the price is at the target level. You may be wondering which one. If we have time, I can show you now. It's target level. This price move here is a target level. Price does not go up or down for no reason. It's a market principle, in fact, that we've been talking about at 2-4 Stock Trader. Are you a subscriber? Please subscribe today and stay put. Even if you say, George, I don't like my Texas accents, all right, stay put, please, okay? All right. So the first step, hold it until the price reaches a target level. So traders will use, technical trader will use an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, and they draw a line from the neckline to the head. and they will project it above the neckline to set the ultimate target, and they will divide the target into two to have the midpoint target. They will do the same thing for the head and shoulder chart pattern. From the head to the neckline, they project below the neckline to set the ultimate target and the midpoint target. Or some trader, after the price goes out, and then perform 180 degrees with this round bottom or a cup and handle chart patterns. Alright, and then they will set a target and so on. Or trader will use a Fibonacci extension, price retrace to 38.2% level. They will say, oh, target should be at 161.8% level. Or you pull back to 38.2% Fibonacci retracement, or you go up to 127%, and so on and so on. So there is always a target. So can you hold it until you reach the target? Very often, the target for the inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, I don't know why, the market love it. They usually like to hit that target. You see an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, they want to hit the target. Sometimes you see to the target. All right? They are gagging for it. They are ready, okay, to push it to the target level. So the fifth correct answer to the same question, all right, how long should you hold stock? So we are talking about stock. We are not only talking about stock. We are talking about currency, futures, indices, commodity, cryptocurrency, anything that you can lay your hand on it and trade it from the morning to the evening. Any financial instrument. Do you want to call it equity? Do you want to call it currency, ETF, blah, 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 blah? All right? That's it. It's not only stock. How long can you hold the assets? Okay? So the fifth correct answer will be what? Oh, come on, my friend. You have the answer, of course. The fifth answer will be hold it until it reaches a key level. So you say, Joe, what do you mean by key level? So the financial instrument does not go. It's always going from one key level to the next key level. Do you know that? That's good. That's what's going on all the time. Nothing new. That's why we say to trade. Draw all the key level on the higher time frame before switching to your favorite lower time frame. This is what's going on. It's just simple, and it's a market principle. It's just going from one key level to the next key level. That's it. So you see, this key level, this one here, the price breaks a ball, retest it. Where is it going? Going to the next key level. Between two key level, there is a midpoint key level, always midpoint key level. Okay, similar to the what we are saying about the target. But now we are talking about no more key level. A key level is not only horizontal key level. A trend line can be a key level. Fibonacci extension, Fibonacci retracement can be a key level. Pitchfork tool can be a key level. Okay, projected channel, talking about market geometry, can be a key level. So price is always going from one key level to another key level, from a trend line to another trend line. So, okay, so that's it. So hold it, so you buy it at one trend line, it can go only to another, it may go out from one trend line to another trend line. You can combine the trend line and horizontal key level to determine the hot spot trading zone. So if you buy it at a one key level, so the question you buy is looking for a better resistance level. Where is the first and near resistance level? Talking about the entry time frame, signal time frame, and the setup time frame. All right. So those are the correct answers to the question: how long should you hold stock? So to summarize this video, one should hold a financial asset until one is satisfied, which means you gain something of it, and maybe they exceed your expectation or they reach your expectation. How much it was your intention? You want to double it? Some people say, I might install so that it goes up 10 times. Will it reach it? But now, if you want me to hold it for long, you want to manage the risk. Is there a mean for you to control the risk? Technical traders, they can. Using stop loss, they can control the risk. Is there a way to control the risk? I saw. Are you an investor? How much interest are you willing to gain on an investment? How much money do you put into it? And also, how long do you want to hold it for? So you may decide, I don't want to hold it. Some people may say, if I hold it for 2 months and it didn't give profit, they'll close the trade. They may just close it, whether it's a loss or not. They just shut it down. They say, nothing has happened here. After 2 months, bam, they close it. Is that you? So hold it until you satisfy. Second one, hold it until the signal has failed if you are applying a different time frame trading method. Third correct answer, hold it until the common trend line is broken. Fourth correct answer, hold it until the price reaches a target level. And the last answer, which is the fifth correct answer, hold it until it reaches the first and nearest key levels. Can be on the setter time frame, signal time frame, and all is coming down to, are you satisfied? Will you be happy to grab that profit and bank it? Until you bank it, it's not yours, it's a paper profit. So you need to start banking profit. So if you have any question, suggestion, lament, complaints, okay, acclamation, whatever you want to ask, put in the comment section, and of course I will be answering your specific question. To learn more about technical trading, go to www.stochastic-macd. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is 24 Stock Trader. Digit 2, Digit 4, Stock Trader. Be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. If you know somebody that may be interested in this channel, please let him know. Send him one email, text messages. Alright, so we are trying to reach our 1,000 subscribers level so we can celebrate a little bit on YouTube. Alright. If this video has been useful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you dislike it, don't shy away. Tell me, say, George, that's another poor performance, all right? And mark it down. That's how you show me that, okay, George, I don't like this one. Mark it down, okay, please. However, if you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share it on the social website. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how long should you hold stocks. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you soon. Happy trading to you all.